इस वक्त की एक बड़ी खबर आ रही है, उसका रुख कर लेते हैं। आपको बता दें, तमिलनाडु में एआईएडीएमके के जिला सचिवों की बैठक चल रही है। तमिलनाडु के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री पलानीसामी की अध्यक्षता में ये बैठक हो रही है। ईपीएस और ओपीएस के बीच जारी खींचतान, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुनवाई समेत कई मुद्दों पर हो रही है चर्चा। तो ये बड़ी खबर इस बीच आपको बता दें, तमिलनाडु की राजनीति में एक बार फिर से जिस तरीके से ईपीएस ओपीएस के बीच खींचतान जारी है, एआईएडीएमके के जिला सचिवों की बैठक जारी है। और ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए रुक कर लेते हैं हमारी सहयोगी धरणी इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़ गई। धरणी, गिव अस मोर डिटेल ऑन दिस बिग न्यूज।
ADMK under Edappadi Palaniswamy is holding a district secretary meet at the party headquarters today. In fact, right now I'm standing in the party headquarters, and the meeting just got over. I guess all the district secretaries, they have started coming out. So this meeting went on for almost 2 hours, and several issues were discussed during the course of the meeting. Edappadi Palaniswamy was chairing the meeting. In fact, so the issues that were discussed include alliance for the upcoming parliamentary elections, and the internal tussle between OPS and APS. So this internal tussle matter that is now with the Supreme Court of India, we are expecting a hearing to happen in the beginning of January, and both the factions, they have made representations in front of the Election Commission of India too. So of course in today's district secretaries meeting, the EPS faction, they would have discussed about the internal tussle as to how to take it forward, how to tackle the OPS faction from gaining power. Of course that matter would have been discussed. So apart from that, several other party related issues were also discussed. Talking about BJP, today BJP's national president JP Nadda has come to Coimbatore. He is holding a meeting with his party functionaries over there about preparations for the upcoming parliamentary elections. So on the other side in Chennai, Edappadi Palaniswamy is holding a meeting with his district secretaries to discuss the same. So both the alliance partners, BJP and ADMK, they are holding meetings separately about their future plans. So this is definitely an important development from politics based out of Tamil Nadu. So I think we can expect Edappadi Palaniswamy to come out anytime soon. He is expected to hold a press conference also, where he will be disclosing what were discussed during the course of the meeting. Talking about the tussle between EPS and OPS, in the latest development, a few days back, the EPS faction had sent a legal notice to O. Pannirselvam, telling that he has no right to use the ADMK's name, flag, letterhead or any other properties. So, basically, according to EPS faction, OPS is someone who was expelled from the party. So, they are, claiming that, he is having no right to use the party's name or properties at any point in time. So, that legal notice was sent from the EPS faction to OPS. So yesterday, O. Pannirselvam replied to that legal notice, telling that all the claims mentioned in the legal notice are unjustifiable and objectionable. So the tussle is definitely going on, and these meetings only convey us that the tussle is only going to intensify in the upcoming days.
जी धरणी, आपका शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। तो ईपीएस ने आपको बता दें लीगल नोटिस भी भेजा है ओपीएस को कि एआईएडीएम के जो नाम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो उन्हें अधिकार नहीं है। फिलहाल इस बड़ी खबर पर हमारी नजर बनी रहेगी। धरणी, आपका शुक्रिया।